Hello, I'm Dan Gores, and welcome to another Printing with Your Pixma, a web series devoted to all the amazing possibilities you can accomplish with your Canon Pixma Pro printer. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate a large wall-mounted image like the one right here using your Canon Pixma Pro printer and a stick and peel removable fabric called Photo-tex. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our image here loaded into Adobe InDesign. You could probably use Photoshop, but it would be much more difficult. And I have my image is about 42 inches. This is about the width that I'd like my image to be when I'm all done with everything. So the next step is to take this image and you're going to want to copy it, make a new image, place that new image right over the old one. Take this new image box and resize it to 10 by 8. Snag that new image box, put it over the part of the background image that you want to print onto the Photo-tex, and then you're going to have to go inside that new image box and reposition the inside image to match your background image. That is the image that will print on your first 8.5 by 11 piece of Photo-tex paper. You're now going to want to do that and arrange it into a way that you would think is creative, and then get ready to print them out. So after all is done, this is what mine came out to be looking like. So now I'm going to take each of these 8 by 10 squares, I'm going to copy them and paste them into a new document that's 8.5 by 11 and print each of these individually so they will be onto my Photo-tex paper. Okay, so we've printed our images on our 8.5 by 11 Photo-tex squares. I cut them down to the 8 by 10 size and I've peeled them and placed them up on the wall. Now, if you look, there's definitely some space and this is set up wrong. You know, the cool thing about this product, Photo-tex, is that I can now just take this down and say I want it on this wall instead. Well, that's an easy change. So as you can see, we've moved our image from this wall over to this wall. It still sticks to the wall nicely, and I like it a lot better where it's at. Right below this video is a link to our Photo-tex products. You can order below, and I want to thank you again for joining us. I'm Dan Gores, and this has been Printing with Your Pixma.